and the question number 1, and here is the part number first is given as this is 2x cube. So we will write it, let px equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 5x and then plus 2. Okay, and here is given some values, zeros, 1 by 2 comma 1 and minus 2. So we will verify it. These values are zeros of the given polynomial or not. So simply we will put all these value one by one. If the satisfied means if we get the result 0, then we can say that this is the 0 of the given polynomial px. Okay, so we will write here p 1 by 2 means on putting x equal to 1 by 2 in equation number 1, and this is the equation number 1. So we will get p of 1 by 2 equal to 2 into 1 by 2 whole square. Sorry, this is a whole cube because this is 2x cube, and plus 1 by 2 whole square and minus 5 into 1 by 2, and in the last you will write 2 same to same. Okay, so what to do in this question? In this question we will replace here x by this first 0 1 by 2, means we will put in the place of x 1 by 2, and other things same to same, 2 same to same, whole cube is same to same, whole square is same to same, minus is same to same, and 5 is also same to same, and plus 2 also same to same. 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube, 1 cube means 1 and 2 cube means this is 8, plus 1 by 1 square means 1 and 2 square means 4, and 5 1 ja 5, so it is minus 5 by 2, and after that this is 2. Okay, so we will cancel it, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 4 ja 8, so we will write is 1 by 4 and plus again 1 by 4 and minus 5 by 2 and then plus 2. Okay, so we will write it as 1 divide by 1. Okay, so LCM of whole these four terms is 4. सबका एलसीएम ले लिया तो वो एलसीएम कितना हुआ 4, तो 4 से 4 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 1 आपका न्यूमरेटर में सेम टू सेम, 4 से 4 कैंसिल होगा, 1 आपका न्यूमरेटर में सेम टू सेम, माइनस 2 2 जा 4. ओके, 4 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 2 2 जा 4 and 2 5 जा 10. You multiply 5 by 2 and then 1 4 ja 4, 4 is multiplied here into 2, then we will get 2 4 ja 8. Now 1 plus 1, that is 2, 2 and 10, sorry, 2 and 8 means 10. So here you will get 10 minus 10 and divide by 4. Again, 1 plus 1 means 2, 2 and 8, 10. 10 is the positive value and 10 is the negative value. So 10 minus 10 means you will get 0 by 4, and any number by 0 by any number you will get the result 0. So if you will get the result 0, then we can say that x equal to 1 by 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Okay, so we will write that here finally, that is 1 by 2 is a 0 of px. px means the given polynomial. तो px का 1 by 2 0 है. इसके बाद अब हम नेक्स्ट जो 0 है उसको भी वेरीफाई करें. x equal to 1 in the equation number 1. So what you will get means you replace in this time x y 1 means जहां पे भी x लिखा है वहां पे हम 1 लिखेंगे. So 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 2. Simplify it. 1 cube means this is 1. 2 into 1 means 2. And 1 square means 1. And 5 banja 5 means 5. And plus 2. So here the positive values are 2, 1 and 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So here you will get 5 minus 5. It means you will get once again 0. So we can write that therefore x equal to 1 is the 0, is a 0 of px. तो यहां पे ये भी आपका आ जाएगा कि px इसका 0 होगा. ठीक है. After that next one is given that -2. So we will again verify it. तो दोबारा replace this time xy -2. So we will get p -2 equal to, it is 2 into -2 whole cube and plus -2 whole square and -5 into -2 and again plus 2. So dear, 2 cube means 8 and the exponents is the odd number. So you will get the negative sign, that is -2 into 8. And 2 square means 4 and the exponents is even number. So you will get the positive sign, that is plus 4. And 5 to the 10, minus and minus plus. So you will get plus 10 and then plus 2. So what you will get, 2 8 just 16 with negative sign and 4 plus 10 14, 14 plus 2 16. So this 16 is the positive sign. So minus 16 plus 16 means you will get 0. So we can say that -2 is a 0 of px. So this is the verification. Verification has been completed. Now we will find the relationship. Okay. So moving for number A, sum of zeros equal to minus b upon a. Sum of 0 means alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b upon a. So dear, alpha is this one and beta is the second value and gamma, this is the third value, -2. So you will put here alpha is 1 by 2 and beta is 1 and gamma is -2 equal to minus b, a, b, c, d. So b is coefficient, that is 1 plus 1. So 1 upon a means 2. Okay. Now simplify this, that is 1 minus 2. Can you say 1 minus 2? It is dear -1, means 1 by 2 minus 1. Again 1 में से हाफ को माइनस करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा, हाफ ही आएगा. कौन सा साइन आएगा, माइनस आएगा, बिकॉज दिस इज द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर फ्रॉम दीज टू. So minus a half equal to minus half. Since left hand side equal to right hand side, hence the first result is verified. This is verified. Okay. Now the second one, formula for the cubic polynomial, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma b, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c upon a. So dear, once again you put the values. This is the formula, okay, for the cubic polynomial. Alpha is 1 by 2 and beta is 1 plus beta is 1, gamma is -2 plus gamma is -2 and alpha is 1 by 2. And here C, A, B, C, C is -5 and upon A means this 2. So dear, what you will get, 1 into 1, that is 1 by 2 and 2 into 1, that is -2 and -2 and 2 cancelled out. So -1 you will get here. This is dear -5 by 2, same to same. After that, -1 and minus 2. This is minus 3. Minus 3 and half, dear, can you say? This is, you can write is minus 3 1 by 2 and minus 3 equal to minus 5 by 2. Now you can write this is 1. Okay. So LCM is, या फिर आप वैसे भी कह सकते हो 3 में से हाफ माइनस करो. 3 में से हाफ माइनस करेंगे. When we subtract half from 3, then we will get 1, 2 and half. Okay. Otherwise we can take the LCM is 2. So here this is same to same, and 1 2 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. So 6 minus 1, that is 5 by 2. This 5 by 2 same to same, and here 1 minus 6 means minus 5 by 2 equal to minus. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence the second result is verified. Therefore verified. So second result is also verified. Now you know what is the third one. Third one is the product of zero. Alpha part number C. Alpha beta gamma means alpha into beta into gamma equal to minus d upon a. This is the third formula for the cubic polynomial. So alpha is dear 1 by 2, beta is 1, and gamma is minus 2 equal to minus d. A, B, C, D. D is 2. And minus here is already, so minus 2 by 2, because a is 2 and 2 cancelled out. So dear, and here is also 2 and 2 cancelled out. Now 1 banja 1, and you will get the result minus 1, and here is also you will get the result minus 1. So dear, since left hand side equal to right hand side, hence verified. So dear, this is the relationship. You can see that finally your question is completed. Okay. So the answer of this question. Okay. तो इस तरह से हम इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे. पहले हमें वेरीफाई करना है. वेरीफाई करके फिर इसका रिलेशनशिप हमें फाइंड करना है. तो यहाँ पे वेरीफाई करने को कहा गया, तो सारे जो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन दूसरा पार्ट दिया है तो वो भी इसके जीरोस होंगे ही होंगे, और वो रिलेशनशिप को सेटिस्फाइड भी करेंगे. Okay dear. Question number 2. अब question number 2 of the product of its zero taken 2 at a time and the product of its zero as 2 minus 7 minus 14 respectively. अब आपको ये कहा गया है. ठीक है, तो ध्यान से समझिए कि क्वेश्चन में पूछा क्या गया है और गिवन क्या है. ठीक है, तो देखिए फाइंड द क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल. इन दिस टाइम यू विल फाइंड द क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल. इस बार क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल को फाइंड करना है विथ द sum of product of its zero taken 2 at a time and the product of its zeros as 2 minus 7 minus 14. समझ गए ना. सम का मतलब है अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा का वैल्यू 2 दिया है, एंड सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स जीरो मींस अल्फा बीटा बीटा गामा गामा अल्फा का वैल्यू माइनस 7 दिया है, और प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरो दैट इज अल्फा बीटा गामा तीनों का वैल्यू का मल्टीप्लीकेशन वो आपको दिया है माइनस 14. ठीक है, तो किस तरह से अब आप क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल फाइंड करोगे. ओके डियर, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. रिक्वायरमेंट क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल. Okay, cubic polynomial is required, and after that alpha plus beta plus gamma, this is given to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to given that minus 7, and alpha beta gamma that is product of zero is given that minus 14. These three things is given, and now question says that find the cubic polynomial. तो अब हम ये cubic polynomial कैसे पता करेंगे. ठीक है, तो चलिए आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं. Here we can find this cubic polynomial as, dear, you know that since alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b upon a equal to given that 2. ओके, कीप इन माइंड, अच्छे से समझना कि किस तरह से हम इसे कर रहे हैं. सेकेंड वन, एल्फा बीटा प्लस बीटा गामा प्लस गामा एल्फा equal to given, you know that this is c by a. C by a means it is given that minus 7. And after that the third one, alpha beta gamma equal to dear minus d upon a, and this is given that minus 14. Okay, so try to understand how can we find the value of ABC, because cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the cubic polynomial and written as px. So if you get the value of a, the value of b, the value of c, and the value of d, then we can find the cubic polynomial very easy way. So how can we find the value of a, b, c, d? And here is three relationship you will got here. Okay. Now dear, we can write his, it is 2 by 1, no problem. And this is also we can write it as ओके डियर. तो यहाँ पे इसको भी हम आसानी से लिख सकते हैं 7 by 1, नो प्रॉब्लम. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो 14 by 1, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो डियर, by observing this is a means the value of a you will get from 1, 2nd, 3rd, from equation 1st, 2nd, 3rd. We get a equal to 1. a equal to आपको मिल जाएगा 1. ठीक है, तो a का वैल्यू भी मिल गया. अब b का वैल्यू आप देखिएगा, b का वैल्यू कितना है, यहां पे लिखा है 2. ठीक है, और यहां पे है फॉर्मूला माइनस बी अपॉन ए, तो b का वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा, कंपेयर करा लो यहां से. b का वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा, b का वैल्यू हो जाएगा डियर, अगर a का वैल्यू 1 है तो a यहां अगर आप 1 पुट कर दो तो b का वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा, फ्रॉम minus b upon 1 equal to 2 upon 1. So we will get the value of b equal to minus 2. b का वैल्यू भी पता चल गया. अब c का वैल्यू भी कंपेयर करा लो, c का वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2 this is minus 7 upon 1, sorry, c upon a means a is 1 already, you have to find a equal to 1. So dear, this is minus 7 upon 1. So dear, you can say that c equal to minus 7. c का वैल्यू भी पता चल गया. अब d का वैल्यू क्या नहीं पता कर पाएंगे, d का वैल्यू भी पता चल जाएगा. d का वैल्यू फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 3rd, from equation 3rd you will get minus d upon 1, because the value of a is 1, so you put a in the place of a equal to 1, equal to minus 14 upon 1. So dear, 1 is meaningless and minus cancelled out. So you will get here d equal to 14. d का वैल्यू कितना आ जाएगा, 14. After that you will put these value a, b, c, d in this polynomial, in cubic polynomial. So you will get the finally cubic polynomial is therefore required cubic polynomial it is dear ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the general form of cubic polynomial. Now put the value. A is 1. So 1 into x cube and plus b. And b is given that you have to see that is minus 2. So we will put minus 2x square and c is minus 7. So minus 7x and d is 14. So you will put plus 14 and this is the polynomial in the variable of x. So finally this one is meaningless. You can write this is x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 14 and this is the cubic polynomial and this is the answer of this question. तो इस तरह से आप देखिएगा मैंने यहाँ पे क्या लिख दिया required cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the standard form of cubic polynomial. And now put the value of a is 1. So here you put 1. And now b is minus 2. So here you will put minus 2. And c equal to minus 7. So you will put here c equal to minus 7. And now d equal to 14. So you will put here d equal to 14. Then finally 1 is meaningless. So it is you will get x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 14. So this is the cubic polynomial, that is the required things. इस तरह से हम इस क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. अब देखिए दोस्तों एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, अभी आप सारी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ही पढ़ रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे एक और क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 जो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है इस एक्सरसाइज ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल एक्स क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 1 आर ए माइनस बी ए एंड ए प्लस बी, देन फाइंड ए एंड बी. ए और बी का आपको वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, तो कैसे आप पता करोगे? आइए सबसे पहले हम गिवन पॉलिनोमियल को लिखें. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. And given polynomial is this is dear x cube minus 3x square and then plus x plus 1 and let this is px equal to given. Okay, and the zeros is given. First one is a minus b and second one is a and third one is a plus b. Okay, then what is requirement? Requirement is a and b. a और b का आपको वैल्यू चाहिए. तो a और b का वैल्यू क्या होगा और उसे आप कैसे फाइंड करोगे? ठीक है, सो वेरी नाइस. लेट्स द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल on comparing. This is the equation number 1. On comparing equation 1 from ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and this is the px. This is the standard form of the cubic polynomial. And why we write this into capital form? Because small a small b is just given into the question. ये क्वेश्चन में दिए हुए हैं इसीलिए अब हम इसे कैपिटल फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. Okay, so compare this. A equal to, can you see what is the value of a? Yes, here you can write 1 into. So the value of a is 1 and the value of b is, compare this, minus 3, and the value of c is, again you can see what is this here, 1. So value of c is 1 and the value of d again 1. So here you will write capital D, sorry. So D equal to 1. You will get here the capital values, that is A, B, C, D. Okay. Now dear, you know the relationship of the zeros, such as since alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus B upon A. This relationship you will write for this polynomial. So you will write capital B and capital A. And alpha, dear, you know what is the value of alpha? Yes, alpha is given. This is the value of alpha. And this is the value of beta. And this is the value of the third zero, gamma. So now put these value here. Alpha is A minus B and beta is, therefore, A minus B, beta is A and gamma is A plus B and minus same to same, and B is, dear, minus 3. So you will write minus 3 and upon A means this is 1. So dear, you can observe that cap minus B and plus B is cancelled out. A plus A plus A, dear, you will get 3A. And minus again you will get plus 3. So now A equal to 3 upon 3, that is 1. So this is the value of A. Okay, very nice. Now you know, dear, the product of zeros. Since here we will write it, since alpha, beta, gamma equal to, you know, minus D upon A, capital D upon capital A. So now again put the value, that is alpha is A minus B, beta is A and gamma is A plus B. And minus D, dear, you see D equal to 1 and A equal to also 1. So you will write minus 1 upon 1. And you can use here formula A minus B and A plus B. Can you say? Yes, sir. This is A square minus B square. And this is A, you will write same to same, and minus 1 upon 1 means minus 1. And you know the value of A. This is already you will get here. So the value of A is 1. Put the value here. That is 1 square and minus B square into 1 equal to minus 1. So dear, finally you will get minus 1 square means 1 and minus B square into 1 करेंगे तो सेम ही रहेगा, equal to minus 1. Now you transpose this B square to right hand side. So this negative will be converted into the positive sign, that is B square positive. And minus 1 transpose to left side. So it will be 1 plus 1. This one is same to same. And transpose this minus 1 to left side, you will get this. 1 plus 1, dear, you know, 1 plus 1 means 2. So you can write this is B square equal to 2, and hence you will write here B equal to what? B equal to under root 2. So dear, you can say that B equal to under root 2. And it is correct that B equal to under root 2. Correct or not? No, it is not correct. B equal to plus minus under root 2. When we will take the square root, then we will get the value B 2, that is plus and minus. So finally we can write that the value of A is 1 and B equal to plus minus under root 2. So this is the answer of this question. तो इस तरह से हम यहाँ पे ये क्वेश्चन, अब आप पूछ सकते हो सर आपने यहाँ पे सम ऑफ जीरो मीन्स अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा का फॉर्मूला यूज कर लिया एंड अल्फा इंटू बीटा इंटू गामा का फॉर्मूला यूज कर लिया, और आपके पास ये भी फॉर्मूला था कौन सा, अल्फा बीटा प्लस बीटा गामा प्लस गामा अल्फा इक्वल टू सी अपॉन ए। ये वाला फॉर्मूला क्यों यूज नहीं किया? कर सकते थे, ये वाला फॉर्मूला भी यूज कर सकते थे, लेकिन इसमें कैलकुलेशन कुछ ज्यादा होगी, तो हम ज्यादा वाला पार्ट क्यों अटेंड करेंगे, हम वो वाला पार्ट अटेंड करेंगे जिसमें हम आसानी से आंसर मिल जाए, तो हम स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट अटेंड करेंगे। इसलिए हमने इसको नहीं लिया, हमने फर्स्ट रिलेशन ले लिया, थर्ड रिलेशन ले लिया, और हमें दोनों वैल्यू आसानी से मिल गई।